Hi, Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough on the 2020 Austin Whaler 420 Outrage. New arrival into the showroom, beautiful platinum colored hull, powered by white 400 horsepower Mercury Verada outboards with joystick piloting. Boat will run in the low 50s, cruise at 40 all day long if you like. Rod holders across the transom, live well in the port quarter. Stepping aboard, we'll see we're greeted by the nicely engineered dive door. Very spacious cockpit, fold-out seating on the starboard side, as well as the transom easily folds up when you get to your destination or fishing to make a little more space in the cockpit. Whaler makes very nice use of point-of-view storage, so dive ladder stored very conveniently to where it's used underneath the rear seat. Port and starboard macerated fish boxes. This boat is equipped with a cockpit table that stores under the lazarette hatch. Easy access to all your systems down there. Here we have the summer kitchen and leaning post, ice maker, refrigerator, another huge live well with viewing window that is backlit. Dining and fishing amenities, leader holders, holders for tools, pliers, etc. Sink. And as we know, Whaler does such a magnificent job in engineering, we're able to close this up. And if you stay tuned for 1 second, I'll show you one really nice feature. And you can see I've just converted to a second row of seating. Air conditioning blowing on your passengers. Moving up to the helm. 3 wide seating. Full array of electronics. Triple 16-inch Raymarine screens. This boat is equipped with the gyro, adds stability, mitigates about 95% of your side-to-side motion. Joystick piloting, that is skyhook and integrated autopilot as well. So let's move forward and check out the bow area. Very magnificent seating up here. You can see fishability is maintained all the way forward. Very spacious lounger under the front part. You actually have storage for all your covers. Cooler under the front or storage. Electrically actuated bow table. You can remove those cushions for a full casting platform. Boat has an electric windlass. Flip up bolsters in the front for more comfortable seating. Give you guys a shot of the lounger. Boat's equipped with a Raymarine radar as well. Storage under the gunnels. And we'll peek down inside the cabin to show you the cruising amenities. Very nice LED lighting about. Very spacious seating. You can drop that table to convert into a forward V berth. Of course, this is a fishing machine as well. So you do have storage for your trolling rods, your 30s and 50s. Television, microwave, sink, another refrigerator. Full access head and shower, tons of space. And there's your shower head. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. Give us a call, come on down and see this boat in person or any of the other whalers we have in stock. See, we got a whole row here. Or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.